Alrighty. Hello. You clicked on this video because you're wondering how to fix your spline issue on your parts when you're converting it or exporting it, to your DWG file. I was running into this issue when I was on Send Cut Send. I wanted my part to be like this, all circle and whatnot, and they were coming out like this in a hexagon shape. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. So we go to inventor, we got our basic part. This is 1/2 inch. And what we want to make sure first is your faces are correct. You want the face that has all your features to be the front face. If not, you go ahead and right click, set current view, and you want it to be front. Do that first before you do anything else. Then we want to convert to sheet metal. Click the front face. You leave everything the same. Make sure your thickness is correct, because sometimes it isn't. Then we hit apply, cancel, then create a flat pattern. We click that, and now we go ahead and right click flat pattern over on our sidebar. We go to save copy as, and we will name this one as test parts. And we also got to make sure if we're doing it to Send Cut Send, I might be wrong on here, but I believe they only accept DWG files. They might accept XFF files, but you know, DWG is what I always used to work with. So we go ahead and save that. You won't get this. This is that's because I have an error part called test part. We go to geometry, and most of the time this will be clicked or check marked. So leave that checked, and we want to go to arc approximation. Depending on what you're doing, you might have to mess around with this tolerance, but for most of the time you can just do it on 1000 or 100th, and you'll be fine. So you press OK, and that just created a DWG file. You go over here, wait, delete this one, and we go to our folder. We drag in our new part, and boom, it is not having any hexagon shapes. Our circles are circular. And that's it. I hope this helped some of you guys out that was having problems with this. And to my knowledge, this is how it works on like Inventor 20 to like 2023. I might be wrong if you're going older, but for now, that's how it is. All right. Well, thank you.